What's going on, Sacred family? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this insane 3D flying camera effect inside of After Effects. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the family. Hit the notification bell. I'm dropping tutorials every single week. You don't want to miss out. Hit that like button. If you support me, support the channel. All it does is help YouTube push my videos out to other content creators as well. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. So this will be the clip we'll be working with, guys. This effect is usually clean if you're using an all-white background, but if you guys aren't, it's fine. It will still be a clean effect. But I decided to go ahead and use Lil Yachty and Ian Hate Me official music video to do this effect because they have an all-white background. So we're gonna go ahead and do it to this clip. So we're gonna go to our effects and presets. We're gonna search up CC environment. This will be the only effect we'll be using. Now you're gonna go to your panel options. You're gonna go to new. I'm gonna set up a camera. You guys go ahead and copy these settings if you would like. That's okay. Make sure the mapping is set to spherical. You guys can go ahead and choose probe or vertical cross, but I found that spherical works best with this type of effect. The horizontal pan, if we mess around with it, it turns the footage into a 3D degree globe, which is pretty cool. And the lens distortion is pretty much like a zoom out. If you guys go ahead and turn it up all the way, as you can see, we have that circle right there. Let's skip through the footage a little bit so you guys can see what I mean. See, the horizontal pan will pan it left and right, and this will like zoom in and zoom out. Just from knowing these two, we could do some pretty cool animations with it. So now we're gonna go to the beginning. We're gonna keyframe the horizontal pan, the lens distortion. We're gonna go ahead and press on our keyboard so we can see our keyframes. We're gonna play with the lens distortion and the horizontal pan. Let's go ahead and put this up a little bit. Let's bring it more towards Lil Yachty right there. Keep scrubbing through. We have Ian right there. Let's go ahead and bring this out just like so. This looks crazy right here. We're gonna go ahead and pan it more to where he's at. We're gonna zoom that in. Then we can go ahead and bring this zoom back out. We have the 3D camera effect right there, which is fire. Let's go ahead and go this way toward Lil Yachty. Let's go ahead and pan it this way as well. Now if we play it back, we have an animation like this, which is pretty clean, but we're not gonna stop there. Now we're gonna go ahead and mess with our camera, and I'm gonna show you guys why we added it. So we're gonna go to transform. Go ahead and keyframe at the beginning all of those spots. Before we start messing with it, make sure you go on your clip, turn that into a 3D layer, press OK. Now if we press here on our keyboard, it switches to the camera options. This one right here zooms in. This one right here pans it left and right in a 3D space, but we won't be needing this one. And this one right here moves it left and right. So knowing this, we can mess around with the movements as we like. So we're gonna go ahead and zoom into Lil Yachty right there. Let it play through. Bring it to Ian. This one right here. Let's zoom back out. Put that back in the middle. Then when it focuses back in on his face, I'll zoom in on his face. Let's zoom this one out a little bit. As you guys can see, you guys can mess around with all the movements. And his mouth. Let's zoom out a little bit. Got the 3D camera right there. Let's zoom in on his finger. Let's zoom back out. Got Lil Yachty. Zoom in on his face. Looking crazy, my boy. And then on this one, let's zoom back out. We're gonna have that 3D camera type of look. And now if we play it back, we have this crazy animation right here. Looking very clean, guys. Super easy effect to have, and it's a very clean one as well. Now to top it off even more, I'm gonna add some shake to the scene. I'm gonna go ahead and use Shake Sauce 2. Shake Sauce 2 is one of the best plugins to have inside of After Effects. The best shakes you can find for After Effects, you won't find them anywhere else. Cool thing about Shake Sauce 2 is you get a 7-day free trial, so if you don't like it, you could cancel it anytime, 100-day risk-free. If you guys want to try Shake Sauce 2 out, I'll link it down in the description down below. Go ahead and use my referral link, and you guys will get a 7-day free trial. As you guys can see, I have Shake Sauce 2 loaded in right here. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So constant right here is pretty much the shake effect that will be applied to your clip. If you hover over it, it shows a little preview, which is very fire. And all this does is add way more intensity and way more energy to your clip, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and press on zoom bounce. Let's go ahead and open it up a little bit more. Let's press on this check mark right here, and it's gonna automatically add to our clip. Now when we play it back, as you guys can see, there's way more energy, way more intensity inside of the clip just from a single button. So if you want Shake Sauce 2, link in the description down below. Go get it, 7-day free trial right now. And that is the end of this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed what you learned, hit the subscribe button down below. Come be a part of the Sacred Takes family. We drop tutorials every single week. Hit that like button if you haven't hit it yet. It motivates me to keep dropping tutorials for you guys, and it's free support, helps my channel continue to grow. So please, guys, hit that like button. Let's get it. Also, leave a comment down below what you want to see next. If you want to follow my Instagram and TikTok, I'm dropping shorts there every single week as well. Tutorials that you won't be seeing on my channel. Some of them you'll be seeing on my show. So make sure you go follow my TikTok and Instagram. Link down below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.